How to find Google Cast streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Google Cast streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find settings in top corner. You will find settings icon, click on it, and now just click this one, audio, and here you will find this one, Google Cast. You can manage it, just click on it, and as you see here you can make it standard or high quality, and then just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.